Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. As you saw from the title, today I'm going to be creating a look which my little sister has designed for me. So this is a second episode in this series, a series where I get people to design my makeup and then I try to recreate it, and it can end up either way, good or bad, depending on how I interpret the image. The first episode was when my boyfriend designed my makeup, and if you want to see that, I'll link it down in the description and tag it up here somewhere, whichever corner. But here is the look that we're going to create today. As you can see, it's quite gothic and grungy, very different to the last one that we went for, and it's very interesting, so thank you for that. She's done an awesome job drawing this design, and I really hope I can do it justice. So I should probably get on and create this look. But before I do, remember to hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, and while you're there, you might as well subscribe. Just to show you some analytics right now, as you can see from here, most of my watchers haven't subscribed. What are you doing, guys? Come on, join the family and let's have some makeup fun. Anyway, enough rambling, let's get on into the video. I've already done my base makeup and eyebrows. As you can see from the look here, there's nothing on the eyebrows or the base makeup. It's just mainly focused on the eyes and the lips. So let's get on with the eyes first. So the first step which I'm going to do is, I don't know if you can see under the eye here, but there's kind of a black kind of shadow. So I'm going to take that as like a black shadow because I'm able to smoke that out better. And then I'm going to do the rest probably with a black liner. So let's get that shadow on first and see how it goes. To do this, I'm taking the Carnival 3 palette by Be Perfect. And I'm going to take this shade here, Black Beach. This is going to feel really weird as I don't really put eyeshadow like on my eye bags. But let's try it out together. Got some of the pigment on. And just going to blend it underneath. So it's quite a lot. I'm just going to slowly build it up because it was a lighter, it was a grey colour more than a black comparing to the drops. So apply in and then blend in. There you go, as simple as that, I think. Now let's add some dark liner. So as you can see here, it's kind of got that emo vibe, something which I used to do back in school. Applying lots of eyeliner all the way around the eye. First I'm going to use a liquid eyeliner on top of the eye, and then I'm going to use a pencil under the eye. Going in with a Kiko Precision eyeliner in the shade Black. I now want to draw a nice thick chunky black line on the top of the eyelid. So just drawing it on like so. Don't think this is chunky enough, but I'm not really used to doing this. It feels a bit weird, but I can put a picture on the screen of how I used to do it when I'm younger. Back when I was at school, that's when I had my emo phase. Everyone has an emo phase. I think mine lasted for a bit longer than it should have. And there's the top bit done. Now taking the Avon Super Shock black eyeliner in the shade Black, I'm going to put this in my waterline and then smudge it out. Referring back to the image, you can see it's a lot darker underneath the eye, so it's like meant to match the top of the eye. So I am going to use a liquid liner just below that waterline and see how that works. I'm not sure, it might look a bit messy, but let's try it out. Going in with the same Kiko liner and applying it like so. You know what? It doesn't look that bad actually. I think I am going back to my roots, back to when I was 16, kind of liking it. Staying on the eyeliner on top of the eyes, as you can see there's two lines here, so I'm gonna guess they're like flicks or wings or meant to represent eyelashes or something. So I'm going to add those now using the same Kiko liner. Really worried about this bit, I feel like it could mess it up a bit, but we want one from the corner just going out. And then we want one a bit further up. So just like that, and then what we can do is just thicken it up. I believe that has added some fierceness to the look, and I like it a lot. Now let's move on to these black teardrops. I am quite worried about this, not gonna lie, but I'm sure it would be okay. But when using black, if you mess up, it's really hard to tidy up as it's like such a deep color, but I think it'll be okay. We'll trust the process, take it nice and slow. Just debating if to use the Kiko liner or go in with a water base. But I think I am going to go in a water base because I think it is a little bit easier to clean up if I do mess up. For this, I'm taking the Split Cake Liner palette from Lash Dupe, and I'm going to use the black that's in this palette. Picking up some of that product. What I'm going to do, I'm going to start with the black lines, just drawing them down, getting the placement, and then I'm going to create those little droplets on the end. This is a difficult look to record on camera, as when I do liner I like to stay quiet and keep that precision, but if I did that the entire time it would be a boring video, but I can't, so let's carry on. Okay, let's do it. Which one shall I start with first? Middle one? And then, well, let's say both of the smaller ones are meant to come down just before the nose, and the other one's meant to come all the way down to the lip. Okay, let's do the middle one. Okay, it's just a guideline. This isn't the last bit. And then we want to do the out one. It's meant to come from here, just about down to the nose for like the droplet. And the same here. Oh, I did mess up a bit there. Okay, so let's clean up these lines, make them a bit thicker, and then we'll move on to the droplets. So the hard thing about this is, obviously talking, I move my face, but also where you've got the groove, where you've got the bag, the brushes like bends, and it's kind of difficult to do. But technically, if these are tears, they wouldn't be perfect anyway. And I messed up, of course. So let's try clean this up. Taking a Q-tip with some water, just wiping it away. Doesn't matter too much if there's a black smudge, I just don't want the line to be like off. So that works. Now let's thicken up this middle line. Okay, I think that's all right. I think the lines look good. Now let's draw some teardrops on the end of these. So in the image, they're quite round, I think, but I don't think that's going to work. Like, teardrops are going to be quite longer, but I'm not going to say anything because it's going to be difficult to draw on. But let's try do this. So I'm going to do the big one first, or the one at the bottom, because there's more space to do that, so I reckon it'll be easier. So let's try. I'm not going to start it right at the bottom, I'm going to start it like in the middle. Try to draw a teardrop shape, and then I'm going to fill it in. Yeah, so that's not great, not gonna lie. But we can just add more and fix it. Like kind of like an apple on a string right now. What I want to make it do is more gradual from the line and not make it like a ball in a string. So just filling in a gap here. I think that's not bad. I think it looks okay. Not gonna be perfect, but I can see it being a drop. So let's try do the other two now. Going to record this one on camera, but maybe not that one, as I need to be like up close with the mirror. Let's try the same technique because it works pretty well. So again, it looks kind of weird. We got to make it thicker at the bottom and then thinner at the top. Just to get that teardrop shape. Teardrop shape. If you're watching, I hope that you are. I hope that I'm doing your look justice. It is difficult, it's really cool, and you drew it very well, and I don't know if I can do it as well as with makeup. So my sister who did do this is actually really good at art. She's great at drawing anime and stuff like that, and she's actually taken art at GCSE because she's like in school, and that's why I'm really worried about this look, because I want her to be impressed. Please be impressed. Okay, enough talking, let's get on with the next drop. What do you think about this? Am I pulling the look off? Does it look nice? Like, But yeah, so continuing looking at this picture, the white bit on the drops. Don't know how that's going to come up on the black liner. I'm going to give it some more time to dry so I'm able to put the white on the top. But let's do a trial run on my hand. So with that black liner, put it on my hand. Give it a bit to dry. While this is drying, you could hit that thumbs up button or subscribe, as makeup's fun. I upload every Tuesday. Yeah, just come join the family. So I've got this dry and I've got the white on the brush now. Okay, that works, we can make this work. Alright, so she wants the teardrops to be on this side of the face. So I'm just going to draw a curve under each bit. Oh, this is a bit hard because the brush like bends, so it's quite annoying, but let's try. There's one, let's do this one. Oh, it's not bad, not bad. One more. Ooh, so I'm just going to thicken them up and add a bit more white, as it's quite pale and the image is quite bold with the white. So I'm just going to do that now. There we are. So I'm going to quickly add mascara and then I'll come back and we'll pick a lash together. So let me just do some mascara, as that bit's really boring. You don't need to see that. Be back in a little bit. For you, it's going to seem like no time at all. So I applied mascara and I applied a lash. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. Basically, these are the lashes I was deciding to go for, but I went for these big and voluminous fluffy ones because this is a cool look. I want a cool lash. And this is the finished eye. I'm proud of it. I hope you are. I tried my best. But now I have to try replicate on the other eye. So I'm going to do that. It's going to take me some time, but you won't feel like it took any time. Just what I said in the previous clip. So let's try do a transition. Say 3, 2, 1. And the other eye is complete. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. I think it's cool. Is it matching? No, that doesn't matter. Is it a bit messy? Yes, doesn't matter. No, because the whole effect is just awesome. I love it. So last step is lips, and as you can see from this image, we got a nice red lip and then it's kind of extended in the corners to make a creepy kind of smile. Or I don't know what the vibe is, but something like that. For this, I am going to use the Revolution Pro products, which I did use in my prom makeup video. I'll link that one up here and down below. Go check it out. It's a great one. I really enjoyed creating that look. But these are both in the shade Stiletto, so I'm going to line my lips, apply the lipstick, and then adjust it to make that extended shape. So first, let's line them. Now let's apply the lipstick. There's how I would do my lips normally. So now looking at the image again, it's got a small little line. So let's use the lip liner to extend the lip. It's going out like so. Now I'm going to blend it into the natural lip. This side is cool, this side not so cool. Let's clean that up. And here is the complete look. What do you think, everyone? Does it match the image? So let's put the image here and my look. I had great fun creating this look. It's so imaginative. I would have never come up with something like this on my own. So thank you for the design. I really enjoyed it. If you did like the video, hit the thumbs up and comment below if you would like me to continue on with this series, or if you have any ideas of what I should create next. If you're interested, use this look and create a makeup look of your own. If you do, let me know and just tag me in my social medias, which are linked down below in the description. Anyway, thank you for sticking around to the end of the video. I really hope you did enjoy it. And I'll see you on Tuesday at 6 for my next video. Bye, guys.